Holy shit, guys. It's been forever since I did a video. Apologize for that. I'm doing a lot. Take some bird bait out. It's old hog feed. It's got oats in there. Pellets. I probably like the pellets more, but they'll eat it. It's starting to warm up a lot now. I had a pretty good spot down there, it's real thick. Probably hear the birds. These trees up here. Real good for putting bait on. You don't want to put it in the water. I mean, the birds will probably end up putting it in the water anyway, but yep, turtle doves. I never shoot turtle doves. Only one bird that I've never, ever even shot on them turtle dove season. Never shot one with pellet gun. That's basically what my bait looks like. I'm just trying to get them in here. Right now I got some on that one too. It's right above my finger. Here, and I have some in the water. Some on the ground too. So you get that and get it clear back through there. Real thick in here. It's a good spot. I'm getting my phantom ready for next week's. Let's look at it. If I was hunting, just set up right by those trees right there. But yep. Alright. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, the bait, I'm at 4/8, so I always got some leftover oats from pigs. And works pretty good. Chickens like it too. So anyway, alright, please rate, comment, subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.